Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata, established in 1870, has been instrumental in starting and driving the industrialization in the eastern region of India. Due to its strategic location and close proximity to neighboring countries and northeastern region, the port offers multitude of opportunities in the spheres of trade, cargo services, logistics and shipbuilding or repairing.
We are the oldest port in the country and we have always been in our services to the industry in this part.
The two dock systems, Kolkata Dock System and Haldia Dock Complex, have supported setting up of various businesses by providing lands for industrialization. Kolkata Dock System, with its container operations, offers great opportunities for clean cargo and light industries. Organizations such as ETC Agro, ITC, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever, Penna Cement and Braithwaite and Company have set up their establishments.
All members of port and every department have helped a lot of cooperation to establish this industry.
On the other hand, Haldia Dock Complex provides huge advantages for industries related to liquid and dry bulk cargo. Haldia Petrochemicals, IOCL, Mitsubishi, Adani Wilmar are among the major firms to set up establishments. These vast tracts of port's land, both in Kolkata and Haldia, have also proved to be a fertile ground for industrialization and nurturing of industry.
So we are fully dependent on port and for future expansion also we need raw material which has to come through port.
To reduce the cost of doing business, Port has started handling Cape vessels at deep sea anchorages through transloading facilities. To augment this facility, Port is also planning to set up floating crane facility for Diamond Harbour and other anchorages. The port's operations offer huge possibilities in trade and cargo services, including a wide variety of supply chain activities, technology incubation and trade in general. In addition to this, the development of Falta SEZ, operating on approximately 200 acres of land, is testimony of port industry synergy, with possibility of future development of maritime clusters. Further, an extended gate facility at Balagarh with 200 acres land is being planned for industrial development. To support barge manufacturing and repairing, a land of 100 acre at Chellingham has been identified. Enormous possibilities do exist for shipbuilding and repair at ports, dry docks and slipways.
कहा जाता है, चाह रखने वाले मंजिलों को ताकते नहीं, बढ़कर थाम लिया करते हैं. जिनके हाथों में है वक्त का कलम, अपना तकदीर वो खुद लिखा करते हैं. SAIL and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port jointly has written lot of success stories in the history of the industrial development of this part of India. Now here an opportunity has come when both SAIL and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port working together as a team in complete synchronization can contribute immensely towards the success of Purvodaya mission under the Look East policy of Government of India.
Presently, 835 acres of land with Haldia Dock Complex and 165 acres of land with Kolkata Dock System is available for port-led industrialization. To increase the utilization of available land, the port has signed several memorandum of understandings, setting up of LNG handling at Kukrahati with a capacity of 5 million metric ton and greenfields ship recycling facility at Kulpi are among the major industrialization projects in the near future. Following the township policy, a part of port estate converted into township lands offer immense possibilities for players interested in residential spaces, commercial activities and urban development.
I request all our industry partners to look forward to having partnership with Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust for developing this region and also supporting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Commensurate to its tagline, Glorious Past, Vibrant Future, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port is poised for a quantum jump and is expected to achieve landmark 100 MMT by 2030. Come, let's build the future together.